Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Probably here because you want to see nature with me, right? Well, let's go see it. Oh, look at this little tree poop. Just kidding with you. This is just pine cone.
Matt.
Oh, what about, it's either the oven or the dishwasher. It's not, I'm out in the back. I'm out in the wooded area.
Wow, looks like you never know what you're gonna get when you're out in nature. Did you hear that? Oh, score! Look at this. Many people don't know it, but these are actually completely edible. just like the wife's cooking. I love you, Sharon. Come on! Oh, hey guys. Hope you enjoyed today's adventure. I know I did. Make sure to tune in next time when we go check out Gary's backyard. You lying, why you always lying? Aww.